Hi, I'm Paul from Seametrics, and today we are going to show you how to properly install an adjustable depth IP meter and/or an adjustable depth EX meter. Now this one happens to be a hot tap meter which got the big valve that allows you to do a hot tap installation if necessary. You also need to determine the K factor and the D dimension. The K factor is the scaling factor for your meter into your reading device, and your D dimension sets the proper insertion depth into the flow of the water. Our K factor calculator, where you can find the K factor and the D dimension, is located on our website. Alright, so when we actually put the meter into the pipe, we'll want to carefully insert the sense head into the hole of the pipe. Be careful of the sense head, whether it's the mechanical sense head or the EX sense head, so you don't damage it. Tighten up the adapter into the threads. Tight. Tighten it down so that it doesn't leak. And this compression nut here will loosen up to allow you to move the meter up and down. Be careful if you loosen it that you don't drop the head into the other side of the pipe and break it. We determined that the D dimension on this was about 8.889 inches, which is just over 8 7/8, and we will be right about there. Once we adjust that, make sure the housing is square with the flow of water and tighten up the compression nut, and you are ready to set your K factor in your reading device. So installation of the hot tap meter is much the same as a non-hot tap. You'll screw your valve into the pipe, tighten it up to a place you want it to be, and again make sure that the flow direction is in the correct direction of flow for the water. D dimension is from the outside of the pipe to the gasket between the two housings. Measure it to make sure it matches to your D dimension you determined in your K factor calculator. Tighten up the compression nut, and you are ready to wire this in.